my familia. How you doing today? So I'm glad y'all are here to walk through the day with me as we harvest. This will be our normal harvest day, and check this out. Look how beautiful. So I am on my way up to the top garden to get this thing started. But first, we must tango. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's get this harvest started. First, let's just take some appreciation for this beauty that's around us. I love being up here, having a quiet moment to myself. Hello, there I am. Y'all gotta excuse me because I'm working through learning. This is a learning curve. As I was saying, I love being up here, having time to myself before they come up and join me as a family. I just get to listen to this nature, get to take up all these views, and just think how thankful I am to live the life that I live. So, enough about me. Let's make it happen. Just help someone.
Yeah, I always help people
jump their car
because that sucks to be on the side of the road. You need to jump. You're already hesitating to ask people because you know you're gonna take up their time. So for me, it's like I'm gonna always do it because shit, I wish you'd do it for me.
Deliveries. That's been from 7 a.m. It is now 4 o'clock. We are kind of last minute shopping, if you want to call it, for everything that we need to go camping tonight. We could have been a little bit more prepared. Let's just say that. The sun is starting to set. We're still not where we need to be, but we gonna make it happen. I'm hungry. How you feeling?
Good. I don't want to ever sleep.
Okay, well, we'll work on that, kid.
Tell everybody I don't like to sleep.
She loves sleeping. You a sleepyhead.
No, I'm not.
You be sleeping in all the time.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, tell all the people I don't like sleeping.
She don't like sleeping. She calls sleeping boring. When it's time to go to sleep at night, she say, it's so boring when we turn off the light. Then you be sleep like 2 seconds later. You be sleep as you saying, it's so boring.
Boring.
That's exactly how you are. So we're gonna wrap this up and then we're gonna make our camp trip a success.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves. We'll make it up as we go.
It's been a full day. Dad just made some good food.
I'm still hungry.
And Ina's still hungry.
We didn't eat the lollipop yet.
She wants a lollipop before she goes to sleep. If she eats all her food, she can have one. We'll see you in the A.
I was gonna eat you.
You ready, Aina?
Is that day we're going on the submarine?
Yes.
reef shark just swim out from underneath the stern there, guys. And it's swimming the opposite side. It might actually come up.
Look, Aina, you see the shark?
There it is. Yep. Right in the middle of the
He's
shipwreck.
coming across. You can't miss him
It
now.
might go back
You don't see
inside.
it?
We'll see.
Oh, he's in the. Oh, he went in. I can't believe you missed him. Aina, how was that?
Good, good.
Did you have fun? What was your favorite part?
The window. I love the fish.
Aina, you been enjoying Aina Day? Dad, how you been doing?
Good. Relaxing.
What'd you find?
Not organic tomato.
How you know it's not organic?
Because it's sprayed with bugs.
Where'd you get it from? It was a tree over there? Oh, yeah, don't eat that.
I'm not.
Okay. All right. On to the next festivities, my friends. I got some surprise news. Yeah, someone's sleeping. So much for the festivities. Look at the sun just stuck on her body. I would say we wasn't gonna go to the festival, but y'all know what happened last time when I tried to act like we wasn't gonna take Aina to the festival because she was asleep.
Come on, you can't play Aina like that.
She already sleeping.
Crazy as hell.
She ain't even gonna know. We could tell her like it was raining or something.
No, you about to tell her it was raining.
Yeah, Dad was not having it. So we still gonna go, but we just gonna have to wait for her to wake up. Could be a minute.